Average Joe here. Today we are going over some food and cooking gear. This is the last bit that has to be packed, so let's get into it. Ramen noodles. There's 10 packs there, so in theory there's 10 dinners worth of food. If you're not hardcore and you don't eat breakfast, you have at least dinner, okay? Now, every so often, you guys do need meat. Meat helps, so we have some ravioli. Okay, this stuff here was purchased at the dollar store, so this stuff here is $3. And change, I mean, we all have to pay taxes, as you guys know. Go next and go with some peanut butter. That's a big thing of peanut butter. That should be a good thing for lunch. Bread does seem to spoil. We will pick up bread later, but I have some forks. Forks is also good for the ravioli, and plus I can always, and the ramen noodles. So, I mean, we have a few forks. We can always pick up more at a gas station somewhere. Now, cooking-wise, we have several options here. Once we have a fire pit, we have a standard little pot here. Wasn't all that expensive, it should work. The handle will probably be gone by the time we're done, but it's better than nothing. Our next option is this guy. This guy here, and trying to open it one-handed is not exactly the easiest route. It's like a cup/bowl that's collapsible. We can actually use this, it's fire resistant, so I could put this thing in the microwave, or I could pick up a pan. It's the same material, so we'll just close this thing real fast. But that's a good way to eat our noodles, so we'll throw that in there. We have a lid. Okay, now this here was given to me by a guy in Florida. His name was Tinsley. This is Tinsley's Tender. It's supposed to help you start a fire really fast. It's never been tested by me. I don't know if the dude has a website or not. If he does, there will be a link in the description. If he doesn't, well, there ain't much I can tell you about this. I guess this is Florida hardwood or orange wood or something along the lines of that. So we'll take that with us. We have a pan here that hasn't been oiled or greased, so we can sand this a little bit, add some oil to it, it'll be fine. We can cook our eggs or whatever else we get. The last option here is if you like coffee, this right here is a French press. However, we can put it on top of a fire to cook our noodles. Or we can actually have coffee. By putting this in here, you can actually make coffee. But that is what pretty much we're taking with this. I mean, I will pick up a spatula and some other essential tools. And we also have the lid here. But that's what we'll be taking in this backpack. It's not a lot of stuff. And don't forget that seeing I am the CEO of AMA.Works Inc. and we develop natural pain relievers, I will also have some brain quill in there, some DAM-123, and probably some Z36, just in case there's any pain. But the brain quill really does seem to help with, brain fog, more focus, nonetheless. But that's pretty much what's contained in this bag. Thank you all here, Average Joe.